trying to hold my breath, letting it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set out for dreaming me. Oh, well, you know what? Let me put it this way. Getting louder now. Ah! Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand. Will you share this? Okay, you guys, I'm unpacking. I didn't wear any of this stuff. I bought this with me to Atlanta. She did no such thing. I didn't wear any of this. So now that I'm going to New Jersey, I am not going to bring anything pretty because I don't think I'm gonna be pretty. I'm gonna be working. Work. I mean, listen, I like Fenty, but she's gotta come up with some music. Like, this is killing me. And let me pack some leggings. I'm trying to hold my breath. If you guys were wondering, I actually hauled this contraption that my suitcase is on. I got it from Container Store. If you are interested, darling, I'll leave it in the link down below for you. Leggings. My brain, it only works temporarily, honey. Okay, so I got the jacket. I think I'm gonna bring my Express jeans, you guys, because they fit so okay. These are my Joe jeans. I think that's what I'm gonna do, is bring jeans and shirts. Oh yeah, these Express pants right here, you guys. Oh, these are so comfortable. The only thing is I have to go and get them altered. They're high-waisted, and I'm gonna have them pinch the back so that way it's like flush with my back. I don't have like a little bit of that like gap back there. So I'm gonna get the alterations done on that. But I like to be as comfortable as possible. And then I'm just gonna pack some t-shirts. I bought all this stuff to wear to Atlanta. I was like, I'm gonna be cute. I'm gonna take some pictures while I'm in Atlanta. I didn't do anything. Nothing. Didn't take not one pic. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I really do. I feel like I'm forgetting. I am forgetting something. Where's my hat? Where's my chapeau? I need my chapeau. I don't care how you get here, just get here if you can. There are hills and mountains. Should I wear my Estelle like Casanova hat with me? I may be right. No, I don't. Let's just play incognito. Somebody like, I saw you, but you didn't see me. Oh. I think that's it, y'all. Let me set my alarm. Oh my god. Alright, you guys. I will see y'all in the morning. Do not hold me accountable. I am going to try. Let me repeat. I am going to try. I'm going to attempt to vlog tomorrow. Don't hold it against me if I don't. Please, I beg thee. Don't hold it against me if I don't vlog. Because I'm not a morning person. I'm not a morning person, not even a little bit. And I'm normally pretty irritated. I'm actually a little irritated right now just because my stomach hurt and I didn't even eat anything. Maybe that's why it hurts. Ta-da! So it's been a while since I've done a get ready with me, so I figured this morning I would go ahead and share with you guys my recent makeup look. It's not too much. It's my natural everyday look. So starting off, the first thing I'm going to do, I did put primer on my face. For that, I did use matte. The second thing is I'm going with the Lancome, and my foundation color is 500W. I really do love Lancome. It's super light.
It allows my skin to breathe, which is the thing that I absolutely love about Lancome. Once I have that fully applied, I'm going in with the Hourglass. It is a foundation stick in the color Chestnut. This also is really great. I find that using the two foundation colors work really, really well with my face. The next thing I'm gonna do is go with my highlight. Again, I'm going for a really nice, soft, natural look. The highlight is from NYX. It was about $2 in Ulta. So the products that I'm using, again, very much like the house, it's high and low end items. I'm going in with a stippling brush, just blending everything out. What I'm really doing now is doing that kind of like I woke up like this type of look where people come up to you and say, oh my gosh, your skin looks really great, other than, oh, your makeup is really nice. I like that look a whole lot more. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my matte translucent powder. For this look, I am not doing my brows just because I'm going into work. It's just a really natural going to the airport look. And then on my lips, I'm pretty much just going in with a simple lip balm, something to moisturize my lip. The night before, I did like the sugar scrub, which really helped to moisturize, and that cracky little, ashy look in your lip just kind of goes away. So I highly recommend doing the exfoliating on your lips. Now that I am dressed and I'm looking over, making sure everything is copacetic, I'm gonna go in with my perfume. And for that, you guys probably already know, I'm going in with my Tom Ford. And you guys, this perfume just smells so good. It is the Jasmine Rouge, and it's just really nice. I wanted to give you guys a really quick look into my face really quickly. Again, I didn't put a whole lot of products on. My face just looks really nice and natural. Recently, I've been traveling a little bit more than expected when it comes to installs and stuff. So what I have found that really helps is making sure that I charge my computer. So while my computer is charged, I'm able to, one, comment back on my videos on YouTube. Two, I'm able to reply to my emails. And lastly, I get a lot of editing done. On this particular trip, I was actually at the airport a good 40 minutes early, so I was able to get a croissant and a cup of coffee from Starbucks. I did bring my cup if you guys are wondering. And then once I got situated, I was able to hit up my emails, get some work done. I was even working on another client's project. So if you guys are wondering, that is how I'm able to multitask. Does it always work out to my benefit? No, because I make a lot of mistakes and sometimes videos goes out and I don't see it because I am rushing. But I just want to say thank you for being so patient, you guys. I promise I am trying out here, y'all. I'm trying. But now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and board my flight, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
Alright, you guys, so I just landed. I'm waiting on my bag right now to come so I can go. I don't even know if I told you guys, but this client is Haitian, which is like so amazing. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. If I can record any more while I'm here, I will. If not, this may be the end, but hopefully it's not. I did talk to her and she's fine with me recording in her home and like doing a tour and all that stuff. The only issue is I don't know if I'm gonna feel like recording. That's the only issue. So pretty much this is the end of the road for us. You guys have a really, really great day and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Okay, you got, if you're not Haitian, then it's probably like super weird to you, but if you're Haitian, you're like, oh, this about to be good. It's about to be real good. So it's pretty much like a butcher's block, and he's gonna make the pate. He's already starting with the filling. Is that one alasa?
No, chicken.
Chicken? Okay. The restaurant is called Tijo's Creole Kitchen. This is what it ends up looking like when it's done. Ah, it's so good. It's so good. You guys, he's so good. It's like how I would see my grandma and aunt and stuff make pate. I could live here, but not really. It's too cold.